Good day, everyone. I am Emilisa Ariabon from the College of Computing and Information Technologies, National University, Philippines. Today, I will present our study entitled Predicting at-Risk Students Using Machine Learning Models on the OULAD Datasets, a comparative analysis. This study focuses on how machine learning can be used to identify students who may be at risk of failing or withdrawing, allowing the institution to provide a timely academic support. An unexplainable AI can transform traditional class record system into intelligent early warning system. In online and hybrid learning environment, this challenge becomes even more critical due to limited real-time supervision. The traditional class record system are mostly reactive. They record grades, attendance, and performance, but they do not usually provide early warning signs. In many cases, intervention happens only after student has already failed or disengaged. With the increasing concern of student attrition, especially in online and hybrid learning systems, there is a need for predictive systems that can help educators detect risk earlier. The main objective of this study is to develop a predictive model for identifying at-risk students. Specifically, the study compares the four machine learning algorithms: logistic regression, random forest, neural network, and the XGBoost. In addition, explainable AI, particularly SHAP, is integrated to make prediction results more transparent and understandable for educators. Existing predictive models are often developed separately from actual institution systems such as dashboard or class records. Many models also lack explainability, making it difficult for educators to understand why a student is classified as at risk. Another gap is the limited integration of social computing indicators and the lack of operationalized ethical practices in deploying predictive analytics systems. This slide presents the machine learning pipeline used in the study. The process begins with the OULAD datasets, followed by the cleaning and pre-processing. After that, feature engineering is applied to extract behavioral assessment and demographic indicators. These features are then used to train the different machine learning models. Finally, the models are evaluated using metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, ROCAUC, and confusion metrics. The study used the Open University Learning Analytics datasets, or the OULAD. These datasets contain more than 30,000 student records. It includes demographic information, assessment scores, virtual learning environment clickstream data, and final student outcomes such as pass, failed, withdraw, or distinctions. These datasets are useful for analyzing the pattern of engagement and academic performance. Before training the models, the dataset was prepared through several pre-processing steps. Missing values were treated to ensure data quality. Numerical features were normalized using 0 and 1 scaling. Categorical variables were converted through one-hot encoding. Class balancing was also applied because the datasets had an unequal distribution among student outcomes categories, especially for minority classes such as fail and withdraw. Feature engineering was performed to generate meaningful predictors. Behavioral features include total click and forum posts. Temporal features include timely submissions and learning activity patterns. Social engagement indicators were also considered, such as participation in discussion. Assessment performance was included because academic scores are important indicators of the student's success or risk. Four models were compared in this study. logistic regression serves as the linear and interpretable baseline model. Random forest was used in ensemble method that can capture nonlinear relationship. Neural network was included as a deep learning approach. And of course, the XGBoost was used as a gradient boosting model known for a strong performance on structured and tabular datasets. This figure shows the distribution of student outcomes in the datasets. The majority of students belong to the pass category, while fail, withdraw, and distinctions have a smaller counts. This class imbalance is important because machine learning model may become biased toward the majority class. Because of this, class balancing techniques were applied to improve the model's ability to detect at-risk students. The correlation heat map shows the relationship among selected features. A positive relationship can be observed between clickstream activity and assessment performance, which means that the student with a higher online engagement tend to perform better academically. The heat map also helps identify whether the features are strongly related to each other and support effective feature selections for model training. These slides compare the accuracy of the four models. XGBoost achieved the highest accuracy at 86%, followed by a random forest at 83%, neural network at 79%, and logistic regression at 74%. This result shows that ensemble model, particularly XGBoost, are more effective in capturing complex learning behavior and predicting students' outcomes. The confusion matrix presents the class-wise performance of the best model. XGBoost shows how many students were correctly or incorrectly classified under each outcome categories. The model performed strongly in identifying past cases and also showed capability in detecting failed and withdraw cases. However, some misclassification still occurred, which is expected in imbalanced educational datasets. The ROC-AUC curve evaluates the model's ability to distinguish between different outcome classes across several decision thresholds. Since the curve is above the diagonal baseline, the model performed better than a random classification. This is important in educational analytics because we need a model that can identify at-risk students while also minimizing a false alarm. SHAP was used to explain the most influential features in the prediction model. The result shows that the total click are the strongest predictor of student performance. Assessment score is the second most important factor. Forum participations also contributes meaningfully while demographic variables have a smaller impact. This confirms that students' engagement and assessment performance are the major indicators of academic risk. The SHAP force plot explains an individual student predictions. Unlike general features importance, these provide a case-level explanations. It shows which features push the predictions toward a higher risk or a lower risk outcome. For example, lower click and lower assessment scores may push students toward fail or withdraw, while strong engagement may push the predictions toward pass. This makes the model more useful for advising and intervention. The findings supports the development of early warning system in educations by identifying at-risk students early. Educators can provide proactive intervention instead of waiting for a failure to occur. This can improve student retention, support academic success, and help administrators make data-driven decisions based on actual learning behavior. Although predictive analytics is useful, it must be implemented responsibly. Transparency is necessary so that educators and students understand how predictions are generated. Institutions must also avoid bias amplifications, especially when demographic variables are included. Human in the loop approach is important, meaning that prediction should be support, not replace professional judgment. Privacy protection must also be prioritized. Based on the result, the study recommends integrating predictive models into institutional early warning system. Real-time data pipelines should also be improved so that prediction can be updated regularly. Future work may expand behavioral features and validate the model using the data from other institutions. This step can improve and a practical value of the system. This study also shows how student data can be transformed into actionable academic intelligence. Predictive analytics support early detections, explainable AI provide transparency, and data-driven intervention promote student success. The goal is not only to predict outcomes, but also to guide timely and meaningful academic support. In closing, this study demonstrates that machine learning, particularly XGBoost, can effectively predict at-risk students using behavioral and assessment data. More importantly, the integration of explainable AI ensures that predictions are transparent and interpretable and ethically deployable. The goal is not merely predictions, but transformations, transforming the traditional class record into intelligent early warning system that empower educators to act before failure occurs. Ultimately, when data is responsibly harnessed, it becomes a powerful tool for improving student retentions, academic success, and institutional resilience. Thank you very much for listening.